Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. Yes, double doors. Oh wow, they're rocking all of these up here. At first I thought they were mugs. They're not mugs and they're so cute. They're all dimpled up and everything. I love that. So yes, on that one. This one right here is rocking. Isn't that pretty? Oh, this one is different. This one goes all the way around. The other one was up and down and side to side. So that one too. And then the same patterns, but a little bit taller. Yeah, these are so pretty. It's so, I don't know. I guess it reminds me of Dun because of the dimples. That's cute. So side by side, right? It's just maybe like an inch or so taller. I'm standing all the way on my toes. I love these. I like that they're clear, right? With the silver going around. Oh, these are pretty for Valentine's Day, right? With that red bottom. Oh, red bottoms. So yes on that. She was just putting all of these out. Look at Hershey. That is all the way Hershey. That is funny. Oh my goodness. These fur babies are adorable. So yeah, she was just throwing all of these out. Yes. Rocking all of this organization over here. These colors are fire. I'm really feeling this one. Kind of that beige, right? Tan. Oh, look at these. And this is a bonus. It's 3 in here. Oh yeah, I love this color. And then all of the water bottles and things to match. Isn't that fire? What's that say? Get started, keep chugging. You did it. Yes on that. All the Valentine's Day cards over here. Some table covers. Yeah, I didn't see these yet. Right. Because the last time I was in Florida, and that was New Year's Eve, I feel like. I think so. And the line was too long and I couldn't pick up anything. Look at these cupcakes. That is funny. This is just like a phone. I don't think I've ever seen these before. I feel like these are new. Oh, that's pretty. The 10, right? This one says love. You're my sweetest. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's like a cake. With the frosting going around it. That's nice and sexy, right? Be my Valentine, that black and red. And this one, they're all so pretty. The fortune cookies are back. These are so cute to decorate with. The bubbles, the gift bags are here, right? The pink. It's a 2-pack? Yes, it's a 2-pack. Oh, I didn't see this one. Filled with love. I saw Be Mine and XOXO, I feel like. Yes, these are the 2 I saw in Florida. Okay. Oh, this is nice. The paper cups. Love you. A latte. So it's a set of 5. Here's XOXO. Some of the signs over here. And, you know, like the garden stakes. Oh, these are fire. This is 100% Sydney all the way. That girl does not leave the house without her shades on. Oh my goodness. Let me see which ones I'm gonna grab her. I'll grab the pink instead of the red, and then these right here. They are so darn cute. Kara could care less. Let me tell you, that girl did not rock one pair of sunglasses while we were in Disney. In the cart. So yes, on the cassette tape and the Giggle My Hero, I feel like I had these and I had to put it back. So I'm gonna grab one each for the girls in the cart. I feel like we saw these, right? Yeah, I think so. The pink and the red. I think when I saw these, they were just putting them out. This was before vacation. So yes on that. You know what I don't see? Those bears. I don't see one glass teddy bear. You better stop it. Darn it. Because they were just putting the things out. And I'm like, I got time. Then vacation hit. And now I don't even see them. Adios mio. Why did I feel like I just started to panic? That's crazy. I didn't think. I mean, I knew. But darn. I thought I had time. And then I'm late. Oh, these are cute. Yeah, like a trinket tray, right? Throw some things in there. The pink and the red is rocking. The gumball machines. The pink and the red. Oh my goodness. They have a bunch of these, but no jars. Darn it. I'm so mad at myself right now. It's my own fault. Oh man. Oh, look at these mini tree toppers. Hug me. Oh, look at this one, the cupcake. That's cute. That is cute. Oh, these are different. This is like springy and goes perfect with my decor. Oh yeah, just kind of sit that. I would throw that right in the basket. Look. The sunflower. I can't even pick it up. This girl. The sunflower. And then this one right here. Oh, they are so pretty. I think I will grab one of each. I walked away and then I thought about it and I'm like, they're going to be going like the jars. So, and look at, oh my goodness, look at the spring fling. I mean, I'm kind of not mad at it. Oh my goodness. Everything is rocking. Look, the fairy garden are in the packs now. I don't remember them looking like this. These are my fave. I use these every year, especially the big. That's rocking. All the robe and things, the garland. Oh, wow. The sprinklers over here. Look, the ladybugs, the bees, the sunflowers. All of the flowering things going on. Wow, look. They already out. Miss Girl, look at us rocking. They are not playing. Yep, I definitely missed out on the jars. This is the last section of the Valentine's Day Good. Yeah, all the Nomies back there rocking. Look at the sequins. I think that's one of the ones I have. And then some down here. The tiny tinies. I think we saw these the last time I was in here. Oh, this is different. That's kind of fire. And the cart. And of course, all this candy is rocking, right? Oh my goodness. The mist spray water bottles and the pink and then the purple. Those are nice and thin. Like I feel like I like these for travel. Oh, these are cute. The whole shower collection is in here, right? Yeah, the pedicure set, the scrunchies. Look, that's cute. Yeah, the hair wrap. Okay. I knew that was going to happen. You better stop it on that. This is adorable. The makeup brush storage, and here go the makeup brushes in here. Look, that is cute. That is really cute. So the purple one, and then kind of orangey pink, right? So that's rocking. That is cute. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna take this one in the cart. Oh, I just saw these on the end. I didn't know that they had the deeper pink. Here's the light pink. Yeah, I think I'll keep the light one. They are rocking everything in here today. Wow, on a St. Patrick's Day. So kind of the normal stuff, right? The garland and things, the scarves, some cups. Oh, these are cute. Yeah, that's rocking. Oh, the mini boot cups. I don't remember seeing these before. It's a 4-pack in here. The wired edge ribbon, right? Yeah. Some of the LED lights. That is bright. Swinging it around to the Lucky Charms, right? The rainbow and things. The micro velour socks. No grips, but these are cute. They're soft too, so it's a few of those. How cute is this Nomi? The rainbow. That is adorable. I only see one. I only see one Nomi. Yes, on the kitchen towels. Who needs love with all this charm? Oh, that's funny. It's a bunch of those too. Oh, and this one right here. Yeah, those are cute. I may end up picking those up. Look at the straw cups. 1, 2, 3. Oh, on that one. What's this one? Oh, nice. Yes. And the rainbow right here. These are so adorable. Oh, I like these. They're nice and tiny. This one right here is rocking. And then this one. Yeah, this is the only one that's kind of textured, I feel like. So I feel like I've seen all the Freemans, like before vacation, on vacation, right? The exfoliating scrub mask, I feel like I've seen the gel mask, moisturizing. Although I don't know if I've seen this one, exfoliator plus the cleanser. Yeah, oatmeal and walnut. I don't think I've seen this one, so that's rocking. Oh yeah, there's the rest of the Freeman up there. I've definitely seen those. Yes! I have been looking for these for months. This works so good. Oh my goodness. It compares to the Vicks inhaler. Yes, on that. I gotta get a bunch. And the cart. Oh, look at these. The shower. I could smell them. The shower vapor tabs by Personal Care. You know, I love shower steamers, right? And I used the Halls ones, and I just ran out actually, and I used the ones from Bath and Body Works. I've never seen these. Soothing and refreshing vapors. Yeah, when I walked over here, I could smell the vapor. That's crazy. In the cart. So I think we still good in the makeup. I haven't seen anything new except what I saw when I was on vacation, but now I don't see anything. Oh, wait a minute. Modern nostalgia? Oh, wow. Now I haven't seen these nails. These right here. Look at these. They're so pretty. Oh, my goodness. Yes on that. Those look Valentine's Day-y. Let me see. Hold on. These right here with the pink and the red rocking, right? In the cart. Manny Taco. Oh, to go. You better stop it on that. I'm all the way crazy. Manny to go. To go. Girl, where I get tacos from? Oh my goodness, that is funny. So that's rocking. This one, this one, and this one back here. Oh, what's that back there? Liquid gold. Yes, a ton of them. Look at that one. That's pretty. Oh my goodness. Look, French. That's rocking. Neon. Oh, those are pretty too. I'm gonna grab those. Hold on. I'm gonna grab these two right here. I love these. It's kind of neutral, right? No nail tech needed. And these black tips, yes, 100% on that. In the cart. Oh, here we go on the yellow bottle. Headquarters Glow Forth Soft Shine Conditioner. I just see a conditioner. I don't see a shampoo. Balanced moisture for hair, scalp. Feels invigorated. Yes on that. That packaging is fire, right? That is bright. So headquarters, yeah. I don't see a shampoo rocking though. Oh, this was the box that was empty in Florida. I feel like hair toning mask, the blue. And then the Brilliant Bond toning hair mask. Yeah, okay. And the purple. You better stop it on that. No sue for you. Come back 1 year. Does the other sock say that? Come back 1 year? Oh my goodness. In the cart. Yes, on the Star Wars, the Lion King. What's that? Seinfeld. I was just binge watching. Oh my goodness. I have to grab them. That is funny. In the cart. All I need is Big Bang Theory socks. Then I'm golden, right? Oh my goodness. Yes, on Seinfeld. What else is back here? Oh, the Star Wars. I am so excited about that now. Those socks and things I saw in Florida, I didn't see them here. Darn it. And I don't see anything new rocking over here in the cleaning either. Oh, there's that fruit and veggie wash and the dish detergent, which, you know, kind of looks the same. Right? Lavender lilac. Don't put that on your fruit. Yes, on a football party, right? I don't think I'm going to pick up anything today. But I'm probably going to be picking up some things for the Super Bowl. So yes, on that, some plates, right? All of this rocking. I feel like, you know, it's the same from last year. Here's that table runner. I think I grabbed that last year. The table cover. A balloon kit is up here. These are rocking, right? Some of the cups and buckets up there. Oh yeah, they got it going on. They are not playing with this spring good. Look at this. So darn cute. Oh look. That's funny. So yeah, I wanted to pop in the plus section real fast. Miss Girl, what is happening? Wow, they are not playing. This is so pretty, it almost fell. The pillows are $5. The bunny head, right? And the egg is over here. The stand-up bunnies are rocking down there. Some tablecloths up here for $3. It's a few different ones. These are the peeps. Oh, how pretty is this soap dispenser? This is $3. Yeah, this one is pretty. Here's the chick, right? That's rocking. And here's the egg right here. So they're all $3. I feel like the bunny is my fave. This is just, you know, decor. Kind of sit that on the table. Here's the Happy Easter one, like the egg, right? Easter blessings. The signs over here, welcome. I see the big carrot. I think I have that big carrot. And then these are the chicks with bunny ears. I'm trying not to make it fall. Oh, that's cute. Happy Easter. I feel like it's a couple things behind there. It's a bunny back there that says Happy Easter. They're so heavy and it's so many. I'm not going to pull them out. Oh, these are candles for $5. Let me pull it down. I'm stretching my neck. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Look at that. I will probably get that. That is cute. Here's the egg garland for $3. That's rocking. Here's some down here with the pink in there. And then some blue is in this one. I feel like it's maybe 3 different ones. Some of the throws down here. The peeps. And that is cute. Oh, look at the tier tray. Oh, this is kind of heavy. So that's rocking. I see the gold is in there. The eggs and things. Oh, yeah. That's cute. Oh, here are the eggs with the beads on there. Okay. Yeah, this one had the string rocking. Oh, look at these. Tabletoppy, right? And just some egg pillows, I feel like. Are these 3? I was going to say, are these 3 or 5? 3. Those are cute, right? Just kind of, you know, sit them in with the pillows. I feel like that's what I would do. And these are back. The tumblers. Hold on. I couldn't pull it out. They're so big. Oh my goodness. So that's rocking. Let me see what's in here. Oh, nice. Oh, it's garland. Oh, that's pretty with the eggs on there. She ain't take them out the box yet. That one is pretty. Wait a minute. Oh, here's one with a little more color to it. Okay. Yeah, so look out for that. She hasn't put those out yet. And then these trays right here, I remember these from last year. The bunny ones, for $5. And around the corner were these. These are $3. Set that right on the table. I see white. Here's blue, a blue bunny. Here's the chick. This is, you know, that galvanized metal. That's actually cute. I like that. It's probably the burlap ribbon that got me. The blue bunny. I think I like the bunny that's down, you know, kind of leaning down. And then this one is up a little bit. This is about to fall. This one is up a little bit. I was trying to put it up. I think I like this one better. And then all that ow, is this the runner? Yes. So that's $5. Oh yeah, okay. So let me see what's rocking. I've been in here for like an hour. Oh my goodness. Yes on Seinfeld. I forgot I threw these in. So yes on those, right? And then the long leaf, we throwing some things in there. This is for you. And I grabbed some socks for the girls, some Valentine's Day socks, glasses for Sid, right? I grabbed these, Have a Magical Day, just because we just came back from Disney, and Kara's birthday is rocking, right? 111, so she's going to be Miss 15. All the nails, yes! Yes on the vapor inhaler, that's crazy. And hubby's not feeling good. I wasn't feeling good, so I love those. I had a bunch of those. Yes on the vapor. Oh my goodness. Yes on the vapor. We need that. I grabbed 2. So, yeah. All right, you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye. I'm in checkout. Look at these makeup mirrors. That is fire. The mini LED makeup mirror. Oh, I love this. Is this orange or pink? These are 2 different colors right here, right? Let me see. They were trying to get me. I want the pink. Yes. Actually, I think I'm gonna get one of each in the cart. All right, bye.